The 2013 Victory Hard Balll. The Victory Hard Balll is equipped with a 106 cubic inch Freedom V twin engine which delivers enough power to reward you with a rush of adrenaline every time you jump on the saddle. The counterbalanced, fuel-injected, air and oil-cooled engine delivers a maximum torque of 106 ft-lb and is mated on a 6-speed overdrive transmission. The transmission comes with helical-cut gears, which means that every shift is smooth and precise. As far as styling goes, the Victory Hard Balll comes with a set of adjustable, blacked-out ape-hanger handlebars which enhance its outlaw look. The custom look of the motorcycle is completed by the black 40-spoke laced wheels housed in the imposing sharp-cut fenders. The motorcycle received a black paint scheme which is complemented with red accents. On the safety side of things, the Victory Hard Balll comes with ABS brakes which provide precise and reliable stopping power. Hit the jump for more information on the 2013 Victory Hard Balll. Features: 106 cubic inch Freedom V twin. The Victory Freedom 106/6 V twin delivers incredible power to ensure the Hard Balll remains the leader of the pack. This counterbalanced, fuel-injected, air and oil-cooled engine serves up 106 ft-lb of torque. 6-speed Overdrive Transmission. With its helical-cut gears, every shift of the Victory 6-speed transmission is smooth and easy. On the open road, Overdrive makes every ride a smooth cruise. Ape-hanger handlebars. Reach out for the blacked-out ape-hanger handlebars and release your inner outlaw. Defiant, proud, edgy. Who wants conventional when fists up? Riding on a hard ball feels so good. These bars can also be set back in a lower, relaxed, pulled-back position if the mood suits you. Black 40spoke laced wheels. This is the perfect wheel for the hard ball, black to match the bike's stealthy style and laced with 40 spokes for a bold look. These wheels provide a smooth ride and deliver a bold look that will never be out of style. Red pinstriping. Perfectly complementing the black-on-black style of the hard ball is understated red pinstriping on bodywork such as the fuel tank and saddlebag lids. The red accents deliver the ideal contrast on the bike's powerful black sheet metal. Hard bagger storage. A hard ball rider needs a place to carry road trip mementos. The hard saddlebags with their 21-gallon capacity are the perfect place for riding essentials. The lids have weatherproof seals to protect cargo and they're lockable. ABS brakes. In all conditions, the Victory anti-lock brake system on the hard ball provides riders with peace of mind. When traction is compromised, it immediately and automatically provides reliable braking to help a rider stop quickly and under control. SPECIFIATIONS. Quotes. Total motorcycle, cloaked in darkness, the new blacked-out bagger takes over the road in style. No chrome. All attitude. And enough storage to keep heads turning all day and night. Auto Evolution. There's more than the 6-speed overdrive gearbox carrying the awesome 106 ft-lbs 143.7 Nm torque to the rear wheels to keep heads turning. First, it's the mean look of this bike, all cloaked in smooth darkness, with red accent pinstripes running across it, bags, tanks and rims, beautifully contrasting with the rest of the machine. Cycle World. So, back to that handlebar, Victory set the angle on our test bike in its forward, high position, which makes it tough for most riders to reach the outside grip at full steering lock. U-turns are not this bike's forte. Given time to make the adjustment, we'd like to try the bar in its less extreme position. Beyond that slow-speed wonkiness, the apes don't negatively alter the hard ball's light and responsive steering. Ride quality from the air-adjustable shock and inverted cartridge fork was very good. The plush seat sweetened the deal.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.